Hello guys, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to make typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Click on text tool, then type first letter of your word. Go to graphics tab. And then click on edit option to change the style of your text as you want. Now select the text track and go to effect controls. Click on text option. Under the text, active the source text frame key. Now pressing the shift plus right arrow key from your keyboard to move forward 10 frames. And then select the text, enter your second letter of the word. For remaining letters do like this. Move 10 frames forward and type next letter, so on. When you finish with frame key, then add a typewriter sound effect. Do a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.